This is how you remove the door handle on, for sure, 2021 Broncos and similar model year F-150s. We were able to figure out that it's at least the same, if not very similar. So you have these plugs on the inside of the door, and I just have a little plastic pry tool to pop that out. And then you need some sort of 5mm driver. And inside here, try and get a close-up. There is a tiny little nut. So that will actually release the door handle. So you just simply put this in here and put a little pressure on the door handle and start to loosen it. Outward pressure on the door handle, so kind of pull it open. And it'll eventually get loose, and then it starts to kind of tighten back up. And see how the door handle is actually popped out. There we go. So you pull that out, and then this one has the proximity sensor. So it's got the wire on it. You can clip right here and pull the handle off. So that's all there is to it, to removing the actual handle. And then we're in the middle of doing a wrap, so we're gonna put some painter's tape around this so it won't fall back into the hole. Yesterday we had to chase one through the door, so that wasn't very fun. So that is all you have to do to remove the handle. If you do want to close the door, you are going to have to tighten this back up a little bit so that the door actually latches. So still not enough. There we go. Okay, now we're putting the handle back on. So you plug it back in. Feed this side into some little grooves. Maybe. There we go. Okay, get that in there. I don't know. Where's that flashlight? Can you shine this in there?
The orange thing?
Oh. So what you're going to need to do this is an orange hook and then your screwdriver or whatever with the 5mm. So you get in here and you actually are going to want to loosen that a little bit and put the flashlight right there. I don't know if you can see this. Bring it closer. So inside here is a 3-pronged metal mechanism. And you have to hook this on there and pull it out. I don't know if you can see this. So I have it, oops, and it pulls out with some force. Okay, so you need to hold this there. I think, yeah, there we go. Now you can kind of see it in the door. So you hold that there, and then you actually have to loosen the screwdriver to hold it in place. So, can you hold this?
Yeah.
So you loosen it just until that mechanism stays. So now I can pull the hook out and that's gonna stay in place. Okay, so now that you have the mechanism out, you slide this all the way in and you want to get the handle back in place, and then you need to apply pressure to it while you actually loosen the screwdriver or loosen the set screw. So you'll hear a pop and then loosen it a little more. Okay, so that little click, hopefully you can hear that on the camera. That is as loose as the set screw will go. So now we're going to slowly tighten it, keep applying pressure. There we go. Now it's clicked back in. I'm going to back off the screw a little bit. There you go. Make sure you put the little plug back in, but now your handle's back and working.